so today I'm going to be showing you guys the best fidget for when you're at tumbling. I really recommend this snapper for when you're in the break room. Because it is so stressful, and you could show your friends it. And
are you okay? And does
I recommend any type of squishy. Because they are really good and they don't make any sounds like the snapper, but the snapper is pretty cool. So that's why I recommend it.
She's not.
Is she older than me or am I older?
She's
older.
No,
she's 50.
No.
She's 50, right, Aspen?
She's 30.
Yeah, she's in her 30s.
Okay. Anyway, so I also recommend
you know, Gabby's way younger than me.
like
Gabby's just barely 30, I think.
What?
like I recommend any type of like puppet that doesn't have a loud
I don't know
sound.
how old
Because it doesn't make loud sounds. And if you bring enough, your friends can have some too. Bye guys.